Today, news magazine Tehelka released what they have claimed is the inside story of what happened on the 22nd of August 2010. The day, I beg your pardon, it was July 22nd, 2010, the day the UPA survived a trust vote on the Indo-US nuclear deal. This revelation coming as it does in the middle of the parliamentary debate on the cash for vote scam has given a completely different dimension to the ongoing debate. The channel involved is not speaking to Times Now. The reporter who did the story, Siddharth Gautam, is not available on record, but the magazine which claims to have the inside track, that's Tehelka, has brought out this version of the facts. Here are some of the main excerpts from the Tehelka report. It has been described as the story of 2008 cash for vote scandal, a story of a trap, a rip and a cover-up. And none of the political parties, says the news magazine involved, come out looking good or justified in assuming high moral ground.
Though it is mentioned in the report, madam, no particular and the honorable leader of the opposition has referred to this report. I can quote from the report. Do I cite his evidence here?
The report accuses the channel of suppressing the involvement of one BJP leader. When they ran the story later, their team deposed before the probe panel. They suppressed the extent of involvement of Sudhindra Kulkarni in the entire sting operation. They even misled the panel about several crucial events during the sting operation and gave a false chain of events in their bid to downplay the role of Kulkarni.
When we came to know this, we decided to conduct a whistleblowing operation, and we almost succeeded in exposing the fact that 3 members of parliament who belonging to the BJP, who posed themselves as willing to cross over just for the purpose of the whistleblowing operation, and all this has been caught on camera. It is there with the parliamentary committee.
The report also talks about how disturbingly Gautam told Tehelka, that's the reporter who conducted the sting, that not only was he tutored by his superiors to blunt the impact of his own story when it was broadcast by claiming that he did not know whether the men sitting in the tinted car were the BJP MPs, but that the channel also tutored his responses to the parliamentary panel.
My MPs were being approached. My MPs therefore were complaining. And if my MPs therefore inform a media organization and my MPs inform the party, that's the logical course of conduct. What is wrong in that?
Also, the report says that a source in the Delhi police confirmed that and told Tehelka off the record that he too suspected that the reporter had been tutored by the channel to put out only parts of the story.
CNN IBN have been examined. Another member of the CNN IBN team, the key player, Mr. Siddharth Gautam, had left India, and therefore the Delhi police could not record a statement.